All right, multiplying and dividing party. Today we're gonna bring some of our prior knowledge, a lot of prior knowledge. There's like one step of Algebra 2 that we got to learn. Everything else is our rules with factoring and our rules with fractions. So on the first couple here, all we're gonna look to see is if can we factor. So on top, we're looking to see what our factors of that are, and on bottom, factors of that. So here I know x times x, and factors of -3 that add up to -2, so -3 and +1. If you're not good at factoring, you're not going to be good at this. You have to be good at factoring. On bottom, factors of 5 that add up to 6 are x plus 1, x plus 5. So now, if we use the rule that if I have the same number of the same number, it crosses out and it's 1. So if I have 3 times 7 over 7 times 5, I can also cancel out the 7's there because it's multiplication. My answer is 3/5. Same idea here, x plus 1's cancel, so my answer is x minus 3 over x plus 5. And that's it, guys. It's as easy as that, but you can't just cross out x squareds, and you can't just cross out x's and all that stuff. They have to be in parentheses to be able to cross them out, because this means multiplication. So we can cross out just like we did here, but we can't cross out because of the minuses and the pluses and all that stuff. So on number 2, we got x minus 4, because that's what squared means. On bottom, I have x minus 5 times x minus 4, minus 4's, or those cancel out either way. So I get x minus 4 over x minus 5. Okay? That's it. I mean, that's the entire lesson. I can give you all the answers if you want to all these. Why don't you pause it real quick, and then I'll give you some answers. Okay? Here's a chance to pause. Cool. So on number, let's see here. Oops. Here we go. There's number 3. 6x to the 4th over y to the 4th. You can cancel stuff out ahead of time like we did here. 12 over 6 is 2. Those cancel, or don't cancel, they reduce. There's that. Number 4 apparently is on the next page. Here we go. There's number 4, 2 times x minus 4 over x minus 2. Number 5, 4 over 3 minus x5. Number 6 I did not do, but here we go. B plus 1 over 8b squared times 2b cubed over b plus 1, difference of squares. So b plus 1's cancel. B to the 3rd and b squared, so that's going to leave me 1b on top. 2 over 8 leaves me a 4 on bottom. So my answer is going to be b over 4 and then b minus 1. Boom. Let's see. Keep going here. Number 7, when we, there we go. When we divide, that's when we got to bring up our fraction rules. So if you have 1/2 divided by 2/3, the way we work this is that we keep flip change or keep change, whatever y'all learned in junior high or whatever y'all learned at, 1/2 times, and then we flip this one and we just multiply straight across. So same idea for all these ones that are division, and you can try to do this in one step. That's what I did. So we factor the top, factor the bottom. This remains the same. We just factored it. Okay, so I got x minus 4, x plus 2, x minus 5, x plus 3. Here, the division means we're going to multiply, so it changes to multiplication, but we flip these. So my bottom is now my bottom is now my top, and my top is now my bottom. So I factored out a 2x out of both of these, got all that, and then you can see here, 2x's cancel, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 4, and x minus 4. Okay, let's see, number 8, go and pause it if you want to see the answer. Number 8, there's 8 over x plus 1. There's all my work. Feel free to look at that. Didn't do number 9. Let's see, it's 4x cubed y squared over 2x is 6y times x minus 5x plus 2 over, let's see, a while came out of that, x plus 2. So as you can see, x plus 2's cancel out here. And then let's just put everything else together. So I have 4x cubed y squared over 2. X is 6y squared. So the y squareds cancel out. 4 over 2 is 2. And then 3 and 6, so 6 stays in the bottom when I do 6 minus 3, so x to the 3rd. And then line number 10, there you go. X times x minus 1, 2 times x plus 1. All right, good luck. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Practice factoring.